Today is my appointment day. Wait muna. Mag-moisturizer lang tayo. That's the only thing na ilalagay ko sa aking mukha. Because our appointment today is microneedling appointment. Which made me realize na meron pa sana akong gala after nito, pero ang red pala ng face ko after ng microneedling. So, let's see. Kailan yan siguro eh? Mag-hot lang ako ba? I wanna go to Chemist Warehouse after my appointment. So, let's see. Depende kung ano yung magiging itsura natin. Okay. Alam niyo, sobrang tagal namin ni Michelle. Natapos kahapon, planning, kasi ang hirap talaga maghanap ng accommodation. Very particular si Madam, as in. Sabi ko kasi parang, ay, nakakapagod na, ito na lang. Pero si Michelle ayaw niya. Gusto niya may private pool talaga. So sabi ko, sige, maghanap pa tayo. Ang tagal talaga namin. To the point na hindi pa rin kami nakabook sa accommodation doon. We booked one accommodation, but then we are hopping from one place to another kasi. So, isa pa lang yung nabook namin and the flights. Pero at least na lang, nabook na yung flight at saka yung first accommodation. But we have so many things to book pa kasi we are planning to go to 3 different countries. So, I am very excited for the planning stage. Diyos ko. And I would say na medyo maarte ako in terms of accommodation ha. Pero I understand naman na gusto namin siya ng private pool. Like, nung sa nagbalik kami, kasi nakaka-enjoy talaga yun. Like, if you just want to relax na nasa accommodation lang kayo, it would be best if mayroon talaga lang pool inside para hindi ka na lumabas. And talagang at peace ka talaga sa mind mo. Nakaka-chill, nakaka-relax talaga na parang nasa own world ka lang ba. Hindi na gusto naman siya. But on that particular area kasi, medyo mahal talaga siya. And sobrang late kaya namin nag-book. Like, in a few weeks time, 1.5 weeks from now, ando na kami. So, of course, most of the accommodations booked na siya. So, ang hirap na maghanap talaga na maganda. If we really want to go for sa mga sobrang maganda, like, it will let us spend like 4,000 and above for just like 5-night accommodation. So, I don't know. Tonight, we are gonna plan again. So, let's see. Anyway, I'm gonna go, guys. This is our itsura. I'm gonna bring this hat pala. Kasi, yun nga, para ma-hide naman natin konti yung ating sarili. So, my face is gonna be red after the procedure nga. Let's go. Naka-park na tayo. Tamang-tama. It's 10:09. Ang daming tao dito ngayon. I'm so excited to buy Boost today. Boost na drink. Kasi nagki-crave ako sa kanya for how many days na? 2 days na day. Consultation first. My God, dami rin. Ang sakit-sakit. As in. Ay, nako. Sorry. Ewan ko ba, guys. Ang sakit-sakit talaga. I remember the last time I did it sa New Zealand. First time kong ginawa siya. It's with JR sa Nature Spa. Nature Spa ba yun? Tawag sa ano nila. I remember, nag-ano man kami nun. Uy, nag-numbing cream kami nun. Dito walang numbing cream. Ang sakit-sakit. As in, nabubuang ako sa kasakit. As in, hindi ko ine-expect na ganun siya kasakit. Like, maiyak-iyak na ako during the procedure. But because, you know, if there's no pain, no gain talaga, ginusto natin to. For the beauty. Anyway, I bought these kinikrave ko guys, na ginger zing ng Boost. It's so good. Was so red earlier, pero sa ngayon hindi na masyado. So, carry natin na gumala pa. Punta tayo sa Chemist Warehouse. I'm gonna buy mga supplements. It's not gonna be from this mall. So, lipat tayo ng another mall. Shit, ang layo pala dito. Tapos, ang pula ng mukha ko na, oh. I have to be quick. So, we are done here and tamang-tama guys, nag-message yung owner na motel na i-clean daw nila yung room today. So, sabi ko, i-clean nyo na ngayon while I'm away. Otherwise, mag-aantay ko sa labas. Tapos, ang init nga. Let's go. We are here in the house. Char, maka-house. We are here in the accommodation guys and hindi nila nilinisan kasi ayaw nilang ma-disturbo si Michelle. Eh, paano naman ako? Anyway, labas na lang tayo later. Meron silang binigay sa akin na soothing cream. So, nilagay lang nila dito kasi wala na daw silang lalagyan. But that's what I'm gonna apply sa face ko if ever ma-feel ko yung burning sensation, which is pretty much constant right now kasi kakatapos lang ng procedure. And yes, our ginger zing. Tapos bumili lang ako ng Go Healthy. And also, since andun na tayo, nag-explore na lang din ako. And I bought this one. White Glow na color corrector. Purple tooth na toner. I already bought the High Smile one. Pero iniwan ko siya sa Pilipinas para kay Merwin. So, ito. I-try ko naman yung ibang brand. Let's see if mag-work to sa atin. So yeah, that's basically it. Sabi naman niya, after 24 hours, mawawala na daw to. The reason why medyo early tayo nagpa-appointment ngayon because I'm very worried because the last time na nagpa-microneedling ako, I think 2 days talaga na red pa yung mukha ko. So, sabi ko, ay, mas okay na early kasi mag-after na ako bukas para naman hindi na siya masyadong red. So, ayun. I'm very happy na gawa na natin yung procedure. Kasi naman, eh. Bumili din pala ako ng mga protein balls. So, hazelnut, chocolate, at saka cookies and cream. Yan yung nakain natin. Ganun. Sarap. Guys, it is 12 na di ay. It is midnight and bigyan ko lang kayo ng update sa ating ginawang procedure today. Hindi na siya, lagi ang dumi mo naman. Yeah. Sabi. Hindi na siya masyadong red guys, which is very good kasi nga duty na tayo bukas. And we are on our second night of planning our trip. So kahapon, nakabook kami ng flight na going to Thailand. Tapos ngayon, yung mga ano naman namin, mga activities.
Activities, ha?
Oversky ka ulit.
Ikaw may oversky ka tao.
Activities. Yung mga things to do. Things to do in Thailand. Tapos we're gonna hop from Bangkok to Phuket kasi. So, lumalaki ang gastos. But, this is gonna be fun for sure.
Wala, di everyday ang kuan.
Ang carnival?
So, sa 30, should naa siya sa 30.
Yung binubook namin guys, mga tours. So, para mag-guide tayo ba kung ano talaga yung kailangan natin i-explore doon. So, mga tours, yung mga tickets, ini-include na natin lahat dito. Kani imong di ba kani? Imong gi-search. Good afternoon, guys! Today is work day. And I just want to show you kung ano yung itsura natin ngayon. Taneng! Wala na talaga masyado yung redness, guys. Dito na lang at saka dito na lang. But I notice meron tayong mga palabas na mga ano do. Ala! Mga pimple! Ikaw ba naman yung skin mo tinusok-tusok kahapon? But that's okay. That's part of life. Ayan. Afternoon shift tayo ngayon. Meron pala akong gustong i-unboxing. Meron tayong mga skincare na dumating. Actually, 3 days ago na yan. Hindi ko pa talaga siya na-unboxing. So maybe we're gonna do an unboxing. It's either after nito, pero I don't think may time pa ako. Siguro pagdating na lang natin ulit dito sa accommodation. Pwede na naman mag-makeup today, so. Kasi hindi na talaga siya masakit. Yung microneedling is really good for texture, guys. Like example, if marami kayong mga tigyawat before, tapos meron kayong mga indentation sa mukha, maganda yan siya. Nakakaliit yan ng pores, stimulates collagen production din. Okay. Plano ko sana na ngayon na mag-unboxing. Later na lang kung mag-chika. Ha? Plano ko sana mag-unboxing ngayon. Kaso lang, nag-edit ako. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-edit. I think I only have 7 minutes left before tayo lumarga. Me and Michelle are working together today, which is good. Like, literally, same kami ng pod, guys. Magkasama kami.
Taking a ride to Jonah Lake. 눈치 보면서 들어가.
Guys, the temperature of the car is 35 degrees. OMG. Sobrang init today. Natumba din na. Ang init. Para kami nasa oven dito sa car ni Michelle.
Dali pa rin, isang sakit.
Kapastos yung ipasakay. Finished with our shift. Now, we are at Hungry Jack's. Smile, Day. No. We're just waiting for our order. Pinapark kami dito sa baba.
Ay, shoot.
Yawan, nasitali mo, Day. It was a really good shift kasi magkasama kami ni Indem siya. We just do what we do. Hala, sabak ko dito. Sabak ko open ano. Open ano yung ano day. Window. Sexy na kayo sila. Saturday. Today is Saturday. Ang daming gumagala. We're home.
Pinada mo na ang sriracha dito speaker?
Ha?
Sriracha dada. Nasi mo hang table.
Here's our order. We have the Chicken Royale, which is mine. We have 2 Whopper Jr. Fries. Tapos onion rings. And we have this chocolate drink na sana masarap talaga. And then this one as well. Fanta. Michelle is just mixing some sriracha and mayo. Let's eat. Labit lagi. Sriracha. Gusto ko sana kumain ng chicken. Kaso lang yung KFC nila dito, nagko-close sila ng mga 10. It's almost 10, so most likely wala na silang Wicked Wings, which is my favorite. So, dito na lang tayo sa chicken burger. I wish na ka ng kuando, tomato. Lamit ah. Ay, magtaik-taik ko ano. Ang hirap lang. Guys, kanina pa kami ni Michelle. We are planning and booking sa mga flights and mga accommodation ng aming bakasyon. Hindi pa talaga tayo tapos, guys. Up until tomorrow. Iko-continue pa namin to. Anyway, meron tayong package na sinabi ko sa inyo na i-unboxing natin tonight na muntikan ko na din makalimutan. Tulog na sana ako. Uy. This is from Paula's Choice. Mga ano lang natin. Pang skincare. So, this is what I bought. Uy, parang bago na sila. Meron na silang tape na Paula's Choice. Oh, wala man to last time. So, we had 1% retinol treatment. And also, eto na-try ko lang to before. Like, pang sample size. Ay, hindi sample size. Travel size nila. Bumili ako ng travel size. Tapos, hindi ko alam if nag-work ba siya sa akin. Pero, maganda din kasi talaga yung review. So, let's see. Let's try the bigger version para mas makita natin yung effect niya. So, it is the 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Ayan. So, itong dalawa. So, which one is expensive? Naka-ano to siya? 20% discount pa to siya, ha? Ah, yung retinol pala. Medyo expensive to siya eh. This one. But it's okay. It's 1%. So, okay na okay. That's it. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna work again tomorrow afternoon tayo. So, confirm ko lang pala sa inyo before we close this vlog. So, definitely, we are gonna go to Thailand, tapos Vietnam. Supposed to be 3 countries sana yung i-explore natin. Included dyan, yung Taiwan. But then, hindi kaya, guys. Hindi kaya siya sa time na meron lang kami kasi we have another contract na kaya. So, napag-isipan namin na we will just explore each country properly. Kasi, sayang eh, ando na kami. So, hindi siya tama if ever, like, we are gonna hop to another country, tapos hindi man lang namin na-explore yung mga dapat namin makita talaga dun sa country na yun. So, we decided na sa next time na lang yung ibang countries. So, ayun, Thailand at saka Vietnam, magkita-kita tayo dyan, guys. Char! If ever meron kayong mga recommendations na kailangan talaga naming tingnan, if you're from there, kailangan talaga namin puntahan, let us know. Please comment down below. So, yun lang. Bye! Good night!